Thank you for joining Signode, the leader in transit packaging. I'm Joe Albert, Head of Equipment Segment Sales for Signode. In today's session, we'll be discussing how stretch hood equipment is an economical and effective option for stabilizing your products for transport. Your host, Mark Walschlag, Equipment Segment Manager for Signode, specializes in stretch wrapping systems. We'll field questions at the end of the presentation, but if you have questions before that, please feel free to use the chat area. Take it away, Mark.
Thanks, Joe. Stretch hood is one of the fastest growing applications in pallet packaging, and with good reason. It's used to stabilize and handle unstable loads. With the number of distribution centers continuing to rise at an exponential rate, coupled with their oftentimes, large variations in type of products on pallets, stretch hood and its unique packaging benefits are hard to overlook. Stretch hood is a one-layer gusseted film hood stretched horizontally from four corners and then applied vertically over a palletized product. Stretch hood provides both horizontal and vertical stretch to the pallet, improving the connection between the film and the load to deliver five-sided protection. The flexibility and strength of stretch hood film has made stretch hood wrapping a cost-efficient alternative to more traditional packaging methods. Used throughout varying industry segments ranging from palletized goods in the food and beverage industry to bags and blocks in the building and chemical industry, stretch hood equipment offers unparalleled efficiency. From easier loading and unloading to deliver higher achievable speeds, Signode's range of Lochenmeyer stretch hood equipment increases speed and efficiency for any operation where pallet sizes are inconsistent and the output is high. So what are the advantages of stretch hood? Well, first, stretch hood improves load stability to reduce the number of return products due to damage. Plus, it decreases pack time and reduces packaging weight, which can lead to significant freight savings and reduced material costs. But the savings don't only come in the form of less product damage. With stretch hood equipment, loads require less film, and oftentimes customers can down-gauge the film size for further savings. Other benefits include its favorable design for automation, handling of odd-shaped loads, and loads of any various heights. Stretch hood can be released under the pallet or on top of the pallet board, depending upon the product-specific applications. For automated warehouse, the stretch hood is often released on the top of the pallet bottom board, allowing for equipment to see through the pallet, ensuring effective pickup and transport. Today, the challenge for many facilities is finding the ideal wrapping system that will adjust to their changing load configurations. One of the biggest advantages of stretch hood is its ability to accommodate different production requirements. Regardless of irregularities, protrusions, sharp corners, or varying product shapes, it perfectly conforms to the shape of the load. Load stability and preservation every time. This is increasingly important for distribution and logistics centers where commission loads are often an everyday occurrence. Stretch hood can even wrap and create containment force for one-layer product loads. From a single product on a pallet to one entire layer of product, stretch hood provides continued stability. Stretch hood equipment's flexibility doesn't just extend to the products it wraps, it also features variability in wrapping patterns, from short hoods that provide short-term stability for handling, to open top wrapping for indoor storage, to film sleeves that add increased stabilization. Stretch hood equipment is highly adaptable, changing production and packaging requirements. At Kaiser Pharma, pick and pack stations create pallet loads with varying dimensions, including those with different heights and widths. Their differing production requirements call for a stretch hood machine that could provide wrapping flexibility. Our PowerFlex T1 stretch hooder easily adapts to changing production requirements while delivering load stabilization throughout the transportation cycle. At Lantmännen, their variable product line includes flour and cereals in paper bags stacked in trays. Depending upon order output, pallets can be a mix of full pallets and half pallets. Here, the Multi FleX1 has been equipped with two different film sizes to accommodate their changing pallet sizes. In addition to its overall flexibility, stretch hood complies with safety regulations. With the increasing focus on good safety, market is demanding higher packaging standards. They want products that will help eliminate mold and related food safety hazards. Stretch hood coupled with specialized stretch hood film are filling these unique needs and setting new packaging standards for wrapping pallets. Stretch hood equipment can apply perforated film to eliminate the condensation that can sometimes affect the product stability and quality. The very same characteristics that make stretch hood great for food applications extend into other industries as well. For industries where products are stored outdoors, including insulation panels, brick and block, stretch hood is fully waterproof, minimizing the occurrence of contamination or moisture damage. Plus, using stretch hood film with UV protection allows for longer outside storage of pallet loads up to a year. So we've covered some of the main benefits where load containment and flexibility are concerned, but are there additional benefits to stretch hood? Absolutely. For logistics and distribution centers where barcode scanning is essential for fulfillment and data tracking, stretch hood is transparent, making scanning easier to eliminate any misreads. Plus, its one-piece design coupled with optimum pallet contact helps to mitigate product theft and tampering. Stretch hood film can be printed with company logos or even handling instructions. The flexibility of stretch hood equipment is indisputable, but what are the costs? One stretch hood machine can replace multiple stretch wrapping machines systems to increase overall production output. And with systems that can accommodate more than 200 loads per hour, the increased productivity justifies a spend in a matter of months. Plus, Signode's stretch hood equipment comes with a number of cost-saving features. Our Multi Flex and Power Flex equipment lines incorporate a film unwinding technology that enhances corner protection by applying up to a 30% more film, eliminating thin and fragile film on the corners of the load. This innovative unwinding technology saves up to 10% in film consumption and provides the strength and stability to down-gauge the film thickness to reduce further packaging costs. Well, we covered the flexibility and the cost, but will it be easy to integrate into your operation? A resounding yes. Each Lockenmeyer stretch hood machine incorporates the latest technology to simplify operation. An extremely intuitive HMI provides customers with simple, useful, actionable information, and product configurations can be stored and recalled with a simple touch of a button. Stretch hood equipment isn't only easy to use, it's easy to service. With the latest in technology, including remote access, regular maintenance is limited to a few quick tasks. Our stretch hooders include a unique feature that allows the whole top of the machine to lower down to the floor level. Here you can take care of film replacement and many general maintenance tasks. So it's easy to see the benefits of stretch hood equipment, but is your organization set up for one? If you'd like to consider integrating stretch hood equipment into your operation, Signode will first analyze your existing packaging process. We'll then make a suggestion based on how to achieve a stable load at a lowest possible cost. We'll then validate our packaging recommendation by performing load testing. Signode has its own testing lab featuring ISTA and UMOS certified equipment. Here we can verify that our suggested wrapping solution will withstand various harsh handling shipping conditions. If you have a product that requires temperature control like produce or dairy, our environmental conditioning chamber can duplicate both hot and cold conditions. So when you work with Signode, we use our experience and our industry knowledge to select the perfect film size, thickness, quality required to deliver the necessary load stability at the lowest possible cost. We've covered a lot in today's demo session. Let's go ahead and take some time to answer some questions. Take it away, Joe.
Thank you. If you have a question, type it into the chat box. If we are unable to answer your question at this time, we will follow up with you after the session. Don't forget, you can always reach out and set up a one-on-one meeting.